Okay. So today the day was focused, as you see, as you hear, and as you exchange, focus on technology in action, and that means showing and also hearing from successful cases of technology application, but also trying to exchange and to think strategically on sustainable models for technology adoption and innovation in imaging technologies to really reshape how we are doing the things, at least in Latin America, and integration with the rest of the ecosystem. As part of that work of exchange and technology adoption and implementation, and also an environment of exchange, for us the fellowship programs was something extremely strategic and valuable for us. And I want to show, as you already seen the last year with many cases, and in other presentations, if you have seen from LABI many cases, today I'm only focused on one case, specifically an interaction between Brazil and Chile in the light microscopy. In this case, we support Samuel Rocha from CAPI to travel to lithium in Chile. The thing here, of course, what we really think as valuable and to select those type of interactions, there was a highly advanced equipment in Brazil that was underutilized in terms of capacities and entrainment and training to really use at the maximum capacity that instrument, that equipment. So we support Samuel to travel to lithium at Chile. He trained there with Aníbal and all the team there in lithium that we have the lack of having here the three of them. And then 3 months later, he came back and not only taking the knowledge for himself, but giving a course for researchers on how to use that technology to really advance on using the light sheet as a tool for science. And that equipment now is producing more and more science. And that is the type of things that we are really working in LABI in terms of fellowships, and also how can really contribute to lasting collaborations, but at the same time, really contributing to accelerate the adoption of the technologies in Latin America. Because as we know, there are many things and many questions to answer before buying equipment. So, Aníbal, of course, and the ones that we already see, they are not unique cases. We are having really a lot of cases, and many of you are here in this room as part of these LABI fellows, and we are really happy also to having this opportunity to exchange in person. But of course, we are going to have a lot of stories more to tell now from this fellowship. So we really appreciate also your support and how you believe on this ecosystem and in this community.